Oh, Jesus. Holy shit. Whoa. Yeah, this is bad. Really bad. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. So not only, let me get back inside. Probably can't even hear me right now. So not only are we getting, what the hell just happened? Oh, good. Well, that's not what I meant. Anyway, so not only are we getting heavy rain, but we're also getting heavy gusts of wind too. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. And hail too. Look at that. Getting hail right now. Jesus Christ. This is bad. Wow. Yeah, we might actually lose power. I'm not kidding. We legit might lose power. Oh, no shit. No shit. Jesus Christ. Where's the remote? Over here. Wow. I think the lens got a little bit foggy. I guess not. That's weird. I don't know. Jesus Christ. This is bad. And it's not any better out here. Oh my God. It's like, it's just like a lake in the driveway right now. Oh my God. This is really bad. It's this is like a lake in the driveway right now. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah. I mean, by the way, I know you can't really see me, but Jesus Christ. Whoa, and that was lightning. Don't know if I caught that, but that was lightning. Just when I was turning the camera. Okay, you know what? Fuck this. Fuck this. I'm getting back inside. Hell no. Hell fucking no. Hell no. Nope. I'm not. Nope. Rather not be standing out there and have one of the windows on the garage door just crash into my face. Hell no. Jesus Christ. Wow. Holy shit. Yo, it's like a hurricane outside right now. Some more lightning, man. It's seriously like a hurricane. Oh, that scared the living fuck out of me. Yeah. And that's thunder, obviously. Oh. Yeah. This is not good. This is not good.
And the reason why our focus right now is to the north is because we're cutting into right now.
Oh, come on with this.
And right now we're attracting severe thunderstorms, packing a punch. Have done.
Here we go again.
Tornadoes, tornado warnings. Get on the.
Here we go. Yep. Gotta be kidding me. Seriously, you have to be kidding me with this. Great. A flash flood warning right now. Yeah, this is not good. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy shit, man. Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. This is ridiculous. Wow. You know what? Once again, get back inside. I'm locking the doors now. Hell no. I mean, look at it. The door can't even close because of the wind. The door can't even close. That's ridiculous. Jesus Christ. But anyway, like I was going to say, getting a flash flood warning right now on my phone. So, yeah. I mean, you definitely know this is a severe storm. One, you're getting heavy rain. 2, combined with heavy winds. And 3, can't hear myself. 3 with hail. And 4 with a flash flood warning. Wow. Along with a tornado watch. So yeah. That's not good. I'm telling you right now. If those damn sirens start going off, guess what? First one I heard a siren, but I guess not. Anyways, if I hear these damn tornado sirens going off, guess what? I'm running straight to the bathroom. I don't even care. I'm telling you this right now. If those damn sirens go off, I'm running to the bathroom. That's it. I don't care. Oh. Some more lightning, too. Not good. What's doing, Lucas? It's crazy out there, isn't it? What the hell is that? Oh, that's a dog treat. Didn't know what the hell that was for a second. It's gotta say about this weather, big boy. It's crazy, isn't it? I know. Luke, you aren't going out there. Stop. You isn't going out there in this shit. Knock it off. I mean, dead serious. Stop. You are not even going out there. Don't even think about it. You gotta be kidding me. Really? I mean, yes, I'm definitely gonna let my cat out on this shit. Definitely gonna let him out. Knock it off. And so just now found out that apparently, as of right now, we're currently at the risk of having a tornado. I mean, I knew that a tornado watch meant we could potentially have a tornado, but to be honest, I didn't think we were gonna have one. But right now, we're currently at the risk of indeed having an actual tornado, and that scares the fucking shit out of me because 10 years ago, we were hit with a tornado, and I really don't like telling this story. I really don't. 10 years ago, we were living at a different house, not this house, a different house. We had to move because of it. Anyway, so the roof got ripped off of the house. And it sounded like a freight train was just moving right through our living room. And the next thing you know, we're completely exposed. I'm sitting there in the bathtub, in the bathroom, with my head down and my eyes closed, just sitting there accepting the fact that I was about to be killed. And since then, I've been scared shitless of weather like this. I really have been. So yeah. That shit scares the hell out of me. And that big boy doesn't even care.
Or hit by some debris. But as I showed you earlier, there were bricks that had fell. There's metal that I just showed you. I want to get back over here because I can't stop it. I gotta keep poking around. This blows my mind, figuratively and literally, I guess, that this roof is gone off of this building. Now, definitely don't want us to go up there. Marcus, if you could just slow down, you're making me nervous. Because you can see wires like this. So, we're not going to go up here. But yeah, folks out here just,
wow. So it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, and Well, it seems like it has calmed down a little bit, but it's still pouring down rain. But so far, it has calmed down just a little bit. Yeah, and also, I just heard on the news before I started recording this clip that apparently there's some power outages in the area. 40,000 people are without power here in the Memphis area. Wow. And I'm really hoping we don't lose power. Oh, the rain is starting to pick up too. Great. As I am out here talking, the rain is starting to pick up a little bit. That's just great. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Oh, I'm really hoping that we do not lose power, because that would suck, because it's obviously nighttime outside, and I have nyctophobia, which is an associated darkness in case you do not know, and whenever I'm whenever I'm in complete pitch blackness, I start to panic. So hopefully that will not happen tonight, but you never know, especially with the weather. You never know, and there's a moth flying out there too. It better find us home soon, seriously. Jesus.
You gotta take it slow, because police and ambulances are responding to crashes at this time.
Alright, that's Zach Crenshaw reporting as he's heading to Kaiser, Arkansas. We also want to remind people out there, as the water starts to build up, turn around. Don't drown. You don't want to take on water, because Mother Nature, she is not messing around tonight. And speaking of Mother Nature, Joey, let's send it back over to you. How is that storm progressing through the Mid-South right now?
Well, that's a great moment for us to sort of reset and explain exactly what's going on here. Social media is blowing up. Folks wondering what exactly is happening. Let's give you some perspective. From Memphis north, we knew we had major instability as this storm was arriving, and that we had the threat for heavy-duty winds, damaging, heavy rains, and tornadoes. And that's been the situation, folks. We've had most of our tornado outbreaks north of Memphis, from the Boot Hill region towards the Dyersburg, Osceola area. We've seen it just continue to march to the east. Still active now. Those pockets where the tornadoes were really situated, this is Fox 13 territory, folks. We've seen damage and heard of damage being reported, and see it ongoing significantly. So I'm seeing lots of comments about why are we still on the air, because we continue to see Fox 13 viewers that are at risk for their life or their property. And that's why we're here.
Right. Well, to be honest, I do not know what else to say about this. You know, I should probably close the store now, just in case, because I don't exactly want to have a big-ass tree branch crashing into the door and have glass. Whatever, that's an understatement. But yeah, I really don't know what else to say about this. I really don't. All I can say is, wow. Seriously, wow. This is unreal. But yeah, if you're in the storm like I am, stay safe and don't be an idiot. Even though I'm being an idiot going out there and videoing this shit when there's a torrential downpour and when we're at risk of having a tornado. But seriously, stay safe. Seriously, stay safe. Let me check one more time here. Yeah, it's definitely calming down a lot, but once again, still pouring down rain. So yeah. Well, anyways, that's going to be it for today. Really hoping we do not lose power, but you know, with the weather, you never know. This is just crazy. This really is crazy.